Hello everyone, in this video we will solve an higher order thinking skill question from the carbon and its compound. It is a 5-mark question. So a saturated organic compound A belongs to a homologous series of alcohol. So the first hint given in this question that the compound A is belong to the homologous series of alcohol. On heating A with concentrated sulfuric acid at 443 Kelvin, it forms an unsaturated compound B with a molecular mass 28 U. So if we convert this statement into this reaction, that alcohol on addition of conc H2SO4 forming B, which means the B here is an alkene. Now alkene of 28 molecular mass will be having 2 carbon. Just for example, ethene having formula CH2 double bond CH2. This is the first member of the alkene. So if we calculate its molecular mass, carbon is 12. 2 carbon will be 24, 4 hydrogen each of 1 mass will become 28. So now B is the molecular formula of alkene. Now this alkene is obtained from an alcohol, which means alcohol is a 2 carbon, that is ethanol. So addition of conc H2SO4 into ethanol will form ethene by the loss of water. Now the next part, the compound B on addition of 1 mole of hydrogen in the presence of nickel changed to a saturated hydrocarbon. Now this is a reaction known as hydrogenation, or we can say addition reaction. So now the next step is to add 1 mole of hydrogen. So now this alkene will be converted into alkane here, that is CH3, CH3. So A is ethanol, B is ethene, and C is ethane. So now the first part of this question is identify A, B, C. So A is ethanol, B is ethene, and C is ethane. Now the next part, write a chemical equation showing the conversion A into B. So we have already written this. From ethanol on adding conc H2SO4, by the loss of water it formed ethene. Now the next part of the question is what happened when C undergo combustion. So C here is alkane, that is ethane. In the presence of oxygen it forms CO2 and H2O. You have to balance it. Since it is a 2 carbon, you will write it down 2 CO2, and then 3 plus 3 6 means 3 H2O, and here it is 4 plus 3 7 O. You can write it like 7 by 2 O2. So this is the reaction. What happened when C undergo oxidation? Now next, state 1 industrial application of hydrogenation reaction. So it is used to convert vegetable oil into ghee. So this is the next part answer. Name the product formed when compound A react with sodium. Now what is compound A here? So compound A here is ethanol, and when it is react with sodium, that is CH3 CH2 OH plus Na, it will be forming CH3 CH2 ONA plus half H2. Hydrogen gas is released. So this is a very important question of the carbon and its compound, which include almost 5 to 6 topic. फर्स्ट पार्ट, अल्कोहल में जैसे ही हम conc H2SO4 डालते हैं लॉस ऑफ वाटर होता है और एल्कीन बनता है. अब यहाँ डायरेक्टली अल्कोहल ना देके कंपाउंड ए दिया, बट आपको मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ बी गिवन है, तो उससे आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो कि अल्कोहल कौन सा है. सेकेंड, नेम रिएक्शन इसमें दिया हाइड्रोजनेशन, दैट इज एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ निकल एंड प्लैटिनम. तो अनसैचुरेटेड से बनेगा सैचुरेटेड, दिस इज द कंपाउंड सी. अब इसी में एक और रिएक्शन दिया कंबशन का. तो जो एल्केन होते हैं उनकी कंप्लीट कंबशन होती है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर और एनर्जी रिलीज होता है. नेक्स्ट पार्ट, अल्कोहल में अगर हम सोडियम ऐड करें तो हाइड्रोजन गैस होता है. सो आई थिंक नाउ यू कैन इजीली सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन.